If you want to record out notes visually, then what you can also do is add in drawings inside of your Google Keep Notes. So to do that, you need to go around over here onto the Take a Note section, or you can go to any notes right here. And then you can go around onto the More option that you see right here. Once you go around and click on the More option like this, you can click on Add Drawing. And once you do that, what happens is that you can see the tools on the top. So I'm going to go around over here, and as you expand this, you might actually see this in the beginning. You can select the size of the pen that you're using and the color, and you can simply click and drag around to draw around right here. So you can go around over here, change the color as well, and you can go around over here, change the size, and change the overall color just like this as well. So this is what you have, as you can see. Apart from that, you also have different types of pen right here. So if I were to go around and select this, you can see that it is much more even compared to the pen look that you have with this particular tool right here. So similar with this, you can go around and choose out a color over here just like this as well. Apart from that, you can go around over here, and here you can see that there's a different type of tool right here, and this is the highlighter, as you can see just like this. You can go around, expand it, choose let's say a highlight color, and highlight it out over here just like this as well. So these are the tools that you have, and if you were to go around over here, now you can enable background as you want as well. So let's say you see a square, you can enable dots, you can enable rules for reference as well, just like this. So once that is done, you can also go around over here onto the eraser tool and then simply go around and then click and drag to erase out contents by clicking and dragging. You can also go around and clear out the entire page over here as well. Now let me just go around and then onto this tool and this scribble around right here, just like this. And then after that, you can see that the other tool you have is the selection tool right here, which allows you to select out different elements that you've drawn right here. You can rotate it out by clicking and dragging this, and you can go around and resize this, pull it out from the side, and you can see that you can place it wherever you want, just like this. You can rotate this around, put it over here, and click outside to place it just like this. So that is how you can go around and then add in drawings. And to have this particular drawing inside of the note, you can go around and click on the back button, and then this is what you have, as you can see. So you can go around, and just like a picture, there is this note right here. You can add in title over here onto the note, and the drawing that you made inside of Google Keep is right here. So that is how you can go around and add in drawings inside of Google Keep Notes. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.